Here we go. Oh, it's a bit toasty. Not ideal. Not ideal. So we decided to do a quick little welding job. My welder's not doing very good at the moment. There's a reason for that. It's not that I'm a shit welder, it's just having this extension cord here. You get a lot of losses in your cable. My cable going to my BOZ, kind of warm. You're gonna laugh at this. You're gonna laugh at this, guys and girls. Got an old dishwasher cable here rated for 10 amp. 1.5, not even 1.5 millimeter squared. I got a loop of wire here. That's 1.6 millimeters squared, I think. I've got that loop there intentionally so I get a clamp made around that. This is just a dishwasher cable, household appliance. Maximum rating of 10 amps. Temporary. It's not supposed to be there permanently, but I'll just see how I go doing a quick little welding job on this thing. Oh yeah, I felt the losses. Let's just put it that way. This welder absolutely sucked. All that losses I had in that cable. I tried to be as quick and brief as I could because I know if I won't trip the breaker. In this case, the wiring is a fuse. I got a bit of loop extension cords, and not in a complete loop, but I'll induce a little bit of flux there, be an inductive heater. So when I get my shed built, I'm going to run an extra heavy duty cable. I think it's get an extra heavy duty extension cord and have that on its own power point just for welding. And I was going to about topping this at 20 amps most of the time. I've got a breaker on there, but it's a 20 amp breaker, but that dishwasher cable's a bit underrated for this sort of work. As I said, it's just a quick and dirty setup to get me out of trouble, but I will eventually upgrade all the wiring when I do a lot more welding. The motor will line up about here. Not so much that foot I'm going to worry about, just here I'm going to worry about, because when I put the motor on, I can't bolt it on properly, so I'm going to drill some holes in here and set the motor on there, bolt it on properly. Here I can put a big ass washer on it, doesn't matter. I'm going to try my best, but if I did make it more structural, the cord would have burnt down. The cord would have been like a fuse, so the best weld I've done. The rest of it's just kind of hit and miss because I know there's too much losses in my cord. It's happened before. My old man used to do it years ago anyway. He had like an extension cord set up and I was welding, and all of a sudden the extension cord was like a heating element. It went up in smoke. Luckily I had a big breaker, but she got a bit warm. For the meantime, if I'm going to do some heavy amp welding, I'll be using a generator that I've got. Use a welder on that. The house can handle it. It's on the air conditioner because air conditioner's on a 16 amp breaker. The wiring in the house will pretty much handle it. It's got that big reverse cycle unit on it, but I'm going to have to upgrade the wiring between the house and the shed for this sort of work. One of the main reasons why I've been putting off welding, because of this very reason. I love to do more welding, but this is the only thing holding me back. The MIG welder's a bit better, but that's what my old man says. The MIG welder is a bit less current. That's not so bad. It's just both these welders absolutely suck on my current setup. So you do need a good supply to go to your welder. If you have quite a shitty cabling, yeah, you're going to get. Not only are you going to get losses and shitty performance out of your welder, but you're going to end up burning your house down. That's just a little, after redo all this heavier gauge cable, run up its own complete circuit just to its own, or plug-in job. I got a heavy duty extension cord in storage. Big 15 amp one, I just run it from here to the, maybe plug it straight in over there, run it next to the other cord. But run it straight to there, have minimal loops in it. So I run it in that pipe alongside that cord, or even better yet, I just have it, just have the cord, you grab the cord out as I need it. Be better. that's my other option. My other option, or probably the better option, the best option actually, is to plug this cord directly in the power point over there at the house. The best performance you get in the safest option. But I've kind of got to wheel that welder a little bit into the off-road. Those aren't off-road wheels on that welder. But it doesn't have to be super secure and super strong. It's enough to hold a motor under tension on the fan belt. Anyway, that worked out quite well. Thanks for watching.